Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for November 6. Government has awarded the second set of 80 scholarships, merit and bursary awards under a multi-million-dollar investment in secondary and tertiary education. The investment is part of the Jamaica 50 celebrations and is the result of a partnership between government and the Petro-Carib Development Fund. On Friday, over 30 academic scholarships and bursary awards were presented to tertiary students. Secondary students were previously awarded. At the ceremony, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller said this represented an important investment in Jamaica's future.
Show me a prosperous nation, and I show you an educated people. As a people, we must equip ourselves for recognizing and taking advantage of the tipping points, those places that are ready to facilitate the transforming of what is wrong into what is right.
The Jamaica 50 scholarships cover 7 years of schooling for secondary students and a maximum 5 years for university students at a cost of $210 million. Meanwhile, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaite says despite scarce financial resources, government will make every effort to support needy individuals seeking to pursue tertiary education and training.
The state cannot afford to pay for tertiary education for everyone who needs it. Those who receive financial assistance for education must be those who need it, first of all, and secondly, those who are going to contribute towards the upliftment of the nation and be able to fit with workforce needs.
He said funding tertiary education would have to come through partnerships and the support of other entities, including the business and financial community. Parents across the island are set to receive more institutional support with the enactment of a law to establish a National Parenting Support Commission. The act has already come through the relevant legislative channels and is now ready to be passed into law. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaite says it should enhance government's aim of encouraging positive parenting practices.
It's very, very important that we understand that the most important thing that any human person can do, and especially us in Jamaica, is to be a good father or a good mother.
Minister Thwaites was speaking on Thursday at the official launch of Parents Month, being observed under the theme, Parent the Right Way, Start Listening to Your Child Today. Funds are to be made available to carry out repairs to hospitals in the north and southeastern regions of the island that were damaged by Hurricane Sandy. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the intensive care unit at the Bustamante Children's Hospital, which was seriously affected by water leaks from the roof, is to be given priority attention. The minister, who was touring affected hospitals recently, said the Princess Margaret Hospital would also come in for attention.
I'm giving clear instructions that under the emergency response mechanism and the funding that have been made available, $67 million for the Southeast Regional Health Authority, that whatever we need to do for Princess Margaret, that it must be done.
Overall damage to the health sector is estimated at $160 million, with the northeastern region accounting for $86 million and the southeastern region $52 million. Government is confident that the Palisadoes Main Road will be able to withstand at least a Category 1 hurricane when the improvement work is completed. State Minister for Transport, Works and Housing Richard Azan toured the project on Monday and said this assessment was based on the recent passage of Hurricane Sandy.
We have gotten quality work. I don't think that we can complain with the type of work here, because traveling from the Harbour View side on the day of Sandy, the wave was quite angry, and therefore for the job to stick up to what it was planned for, I think it's credit to those who work here on the project.
The regional director of China Harbour Engineering Company says the Palisadoes Shoreline Protection and Rehabilitation Project will be completed by the end of the month. He adds that it will be finished within the estimated $65 million budget. And finally, Jamaica has been named the favorite worldwide destination by the readers of British Travel Awards Check-In magazine. The island took the top spot from more than 70 other destinations in the magazine's New Readers' Choice Awards announced at the weekend. The Reader's Choice Awards are voted for exclusively by readers of Check-In, the online interactive magazine of the British Travel Awards. It's the largest awards program in the United Kingdom, created to recognize the most successful travel companies and destinations. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.